My topic is cutting tool material. Cutting tool material are generally used for manufacturing the cutting material. The cutting material are generally depends upon the nature of the workpiece and the nature of the service. These are the six type of the cutting tools. High carbon steel HCS. Number two is high speed steel tool HSS. Number three is stellite. Number four is cementite carbides. Number five is ceramics. Number six is diamond. So high carbon steel tool is contain the carbon 0.8 to 1.2% carbon. It is able to retain its hardness at red heat up to the 250 to 300 degree Celsius. Due to this temperature, the high carbon steel tool is not considered for a cutting tools. It is only used for the carpentry tools, striking tools, chisels, and also used in a sheet metal works such as used as a scissors to cut the sheet. Second number is high speed steel tool. The high speed steel tool contain the various elements. These elements increase the strength and hardness of the steel. The composition of this metal, composition of the high speed steel tools written in this way: XT 75 18% tungsten, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. So XT means 0.75% carbon involved in this metal, 18% tungsten, 4% chromium, 1% vanadium. So what is the effect of tungsten in the high speed steel tool? Some amount of the tungsten is added during the manufacturing of the steel to increase the critical temperature of the steel. So chromium is increase the shining on the metal, and vanadium is also increase the strength of the material. The high speed steel tool is contained, it retain hardness up to the 600 degrees Celsius. The high speed steel tools are generally used in a two way. Number one is single point cutting tool. Number two is multi point cutting tool. Single point cutting tools are generally used for the shaper and lathe machine. Multi point cutting tools are generally used for the milling, like a cutter, reamer, broaching tool, drill bit, taping, etc. The stellite, stellite. The stellite, it is a non-ferrous metal. Consists of a cobalt, tungsten, chromium, and carbon. It is the mixture. The composition of the stellite tools written in this way: 30% cobalt, 20% tungsten, 20% chromium, 3% carbon. The stellite cutting tool is able to retain its hardness at red heat up to the 850 to 900 degree Celsius. On the account of hardness and brittleness, this metal are generally used for the hard material, used for the machining to the hard, like a bronze, cast iron, malleable material. Number four is cemented carbide. So cemented carbide, it is the mixture of the tungsten, titanium, and carbon. This cementite carbide tools are generally used for the mass production. It is able to retain its hardness at red heat or 1000 degrees Celsius. These cementite carbide tools are generally used for the mass production. These ceramic tools, ceramic material. This ceramic material, it it is the mixture of it is consist of a aluminum oxide. The aluminum oxide are mixed with a boron nitrides in the form of the powder. It is compact in a different in shape and size. Like this is a conical shape, triangular shape, rectangular shape. These tools are braced on a steel shank. Cutting tools. The ceramic tools cannot be machined. It is only grinded for machining purpose. The diamond tools, the cementite tools retain the 1200 degrees Celsius without any without loss any hardness. The diamond tools, it is very hard and brittle. Due to the hard and brittle, it is very costly. So diamond tools are not used for a general purpose due to the hardness and brittle or due to the high cost. The diamond tools are generally used for the cutting the glass, cutting the marble, and also used for the dressing the grinding. So I think you will like my lecture. Or thank you very much.